people, I can't believe that I'm actually filming this. So this is going to be my raw and real labor and delivery birth vlog of our baby. Today is 1st August and right now it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm feeling a little bit of contraction and my water is suddenly started to leak. Just now I called my doctor and she suggested to be admitted in the morning. I'm really tensed yet very much of excited, and I can't wait to see our baby. So as instructed by the doctor, I got ready early in the morning. Hospital bag was already packed, and I feel this is really important for all the would-be moms, and I have shared the list of items to be in the hospital bag. Kindly check it. We reached to Motherhood Hospital, which is in Sector 48, Noida, and easily got admitted. We had pre-booked executive room, and this is utmost important to select hospital nearby to your home. Otherwise, getting admitted, completing all the formalities, paperwork, and mostly getting a single room in this COVID situation is a bit challenging. And then the real contraction started, and it's now 11 o'clock. My clothes were all wet with the fluid. As time was passing, the doctor did internal examinations every 2 hours, and I was told that I was not progressing and my cervix is not dilating enough. She said that's okay
and recommended we will wait for some more time.
খুলে দাও না সবকিছু, আমি হাঁটবো পারছি না, খুলে দাও না, আরো খুলে দাও না। আমি সহ্য করতে পারছি না। দিতে পারলাম পেন শেষ করতে বলো, আমার দেরি হচ্ছে না, আমার দেরি হচ্ছে না বাবু।
After long 8 hours of intense labor pain, in the evening the doctor checked again and said cervix is not dilated, so asked to deliver the baby by C-section. I burst out of tears, but my gynecologist tried to console me and ordered the sisters to shift me to the OT. I was extremely tired with all those injections as I was working the whole day with only fluids and drips. I could not control my tears because I never thought I would end up getting a C-section.
And I started to wait outside at the OT. Every second seems an hour. Today it was a completely different experience. I saw my wife suffering severely in labor pain for long 8 hours. Even I could feel each contractions with her. It was a difficult time, and I must salute every moms, as it's not easy to be a mother. At last the wait was over. It was past 8 o'clock in the evening. I was called to see our bundle of joy. Yes, it's a baby girl. For the first time, I saw her so cute and playing with her arms. I was silently standing and watching my baby. I could not resist my tears. I realized having a child just puts your whole world into perspective. Everything else just disappears. Let's go to my wife.
হ্যাঁ একদম গোলু গোলু, পুরো গোলু গোলু, পুরো গোলু গোলু, একদম সাদা সাদা একদম। হ্যাঁ কোলে নিতে পারি।
Yes, it was true what I heard. It was a baby girl. I was experienced intense postpartum chills for a while. After a few minutes, someone gave me the baby. She touched my hand. I saw her. That moment, every pain of mine just vanished. From that moment, I never felt bad for having a C-section. She was super cute.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Very much pleased with this hospitality you and your hospital has given to us.
Thank you so much.
I was not ready for the C-section because I didn't want to be dependent on anyone for my day-to-day activity even for a day. But to my surprise, my urinary catheter was removed at 8 in the morning the very next day. They also made me get up from the bed. The staff helped me change my clothes and I was also made to walk. I was able to move as if I had delivered normally, and that boosted my confidence and cheered me up. Thanks to my gynecologist, who is a knowledgeable professional. She proved that C-section is just another route of delivering the baby. And there I was, a happy mom with a happy child, all because of her.
And finally, we are going home with a great experience, and from here our parenthood chapter begins.